Most entrepreneurs these days think getting a website and some product to sell online is a great way to make money. Also, most advertisers make it seem quite easy with all the bells, whistles, promises and the marketing tools they present. When you are thinking of ways to make money online, you likely want to know immediately what the best way to make money online is. There are tons of ways to make money online, but nothing matters if you don't know how to work it yourself. You see, if you want to make money online, you must know how to tap the power of the internet. If you are still at a loss with what you want to sell, because your interests cannot be turned into profit-making products that you can sell online, it is a good idea to consider selling the products of someone else to make money online. If you do a Google search on making money online, you're going to see that today there are 277 million websites ready to give you the information you need to turn your dreams into reality. After all the promises and the marketing mumbo-jumbo about making money online with website that people just click and spend, after all the explanation of creating content that holds the viewers, after all the work to get the information out to potential customer, you wind up with nothing. Some of those sites are just plain garbage, and most of them are affiliate links to the few hundred marketing gurus that have the market flooded with information, software and online money-making idea that all promise the way to the golden nugget. Some of the other methods to make smaller amounts of money online are affiliate marketing on a smaller scale, getting paid to drive, getting paid to shop, and getting paid to take surveys. Getting paid to take surveys is one of the easiest ways to make money online. If you are looking for an easy way to make quick money online, there is no doubt that network marketing is the best choice. As you can see, finding out what the best way to make money online is not as easy as you would think. Now you know the best route to take, the methods that put the successful where they are today, and the real investments that you should be applying to make money online.